Guys, we just get some practice round in the morning. 2 shots a piece. Now I go. We are go on the hunt. We are going hunting. That's Mickey's first shot. What? So she hot. And they cannot move. My time. It's my time now. Now I go. So we just warm up 2 shots a piece. Because we are going on the hunt right now. Alright, ready.
Little part. See
Down.
that, guys? That is it, guys.
Down, guys.
Yep.
Yeah, man. First one that, you know? First one that for the morning.
First one, guys.
Yes. So, still on the way, peeps. We're on the road hunting. Guys, there's a pigeon on the light wire. I want for Mickey to get that shot. Go right underneath. Go to your angle. Eh? You have to set your back to the road. You have to let me take the shot. Because you have to do it fast. Or you want to try it same way. Set your back to the road and then you shoot. Yeah. Aim and line up. Alright, the road clear. Set your back to the road. Go out. Go to your angle quick. Miss. Alright. Me know say uncomfortable. Come. Let me see if I can get one.
So Stretch is gonna try to shoot at it. Alright, crossing head, he did shot when me shoot it. Stretch is gonna shoot at the pigeon, guys. That is it.
So guys, I had to take that shot because Mickey is really uncomfortable because she has to be backing out in the road.
Yeah, guys.
You know how it goes. So because I'm more experienced, I just took the shot. Alright?
Hey guys, we finished the hunting, guys. We just wanted like 2 or 3 birds, so we got 2 of them, so we're gonna just make it happen. Yeah, so we're gonna cook some bird soup, some pumpkin bird soup. Stretch is here.
You know I think go.
Yes, guys.
Guys,
He's
we just
chopping
stay
some
on.
woods. some stick.
Some stick, of course, that's on stick.
Yeah, guys,
Yes,
we're
guys,
gonna
so-
catch the fire right here for the soup. So that's what's going on now. We're gonna catch the fire and put on the pot, and you'll see what's happening
Yeah,
after.
so basically, guys, we just going to show you know how we make our Jamaican bird soup.
Yes.
Pumpkin bird soup.
Yes, the pumpkin bird soup.
So it's a nice.
It's gonna be the bomb. Guys, you know I'm crazy at times. Alright guys, so the fire ready like Freddy. Gonna put on the pot. Guys, I'm gonna put some salt in the pot.
So guys, we finished clean up everything. So this are the barbel dove and this are the pigeon. But we did have whole heap more bird where we did shoot from the other day. So just take them out of the fridge, make them thaw out a little bit, you know. And then we're just gonna cut up everything together, alright? So guys, Mickey's doing all the preparation of the birds. I was doing it a while ago, guys, but I got cut. I got a small cut underneath my thumb, but I can't show it around, you know. So she's gonna have to use a knife. It's my mistake, guys. That's a whole lot of birds.
And guys,
A
all of
whole
them
lot.
is dove and pigeon.
Yes, just dove, pigeon, and
white crown
white
pigeon.
crown pigeon.
Yeah, pigeon, dove, and white crown pigeon. That's all in here.
And as you can see, guys, we got yam, sweet, Irish potato,
Chocho,
chocho, yes,
sweet pepper, garlic
Yes.
pepper, scallion and
Pumpkin.
thyme. The right thing, guys, pumpkin. And we have carrot here.
we got
flour,
some
Rooster
katsu.
noodle. Mine a
Yes.
cocktail business. You know.
Oh yes, guys, we have some rooster noodle. Yes, yes. Jesus, please now.
Come, just a water.
There we
baby.
go. But it's on there. That's what's on there.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Jamaican mine are very smoky, guys. So it's rooster noodle for us.
Yes, guys. So we'll
Come.
show you the finished stuff. Oh, you want me
Yeah,
to
we'll
do
show you
some
when we're
of
gonna put it in the pot, guys.
that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes guys, so we're going to put in the rest of stuff them inside.
Yeah guys,
Here we have yam, chocho, pumpkin, Irish, everything.
pumpkin.
Yes guys, so this is how I do my pumpkin bird soup. Rich, flavorful, and very tasty. We are very sorry about the recording guys, but there is some music playing in the background, so we have to voice over. Very sorry about that, but hope you enjoy this video. Until then, peace out.